When we think of matter, we generally think about the three main forms of matter: solids, liquids, and gases. After all, why wouldn't we? Solids, liquids, and gases make up the world around us. But what if I told you there was a fourth state of matter? A state of matter that, when you zoom out to the entire universe, is far more common than the other three states of matter combined. Introducing plasma, the fourth state of matter, and the stuff that makes up stars. Now, before we get into the video, I'd appreciate you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for future content. Also, sorry I was gone for almost 3 months. It wasn't anything serious, I just kinda fell out of making videos for a while. But I'm back now, and that is what matters. So with that out of the way, let's get into the fourth state of matter. Okay, so what exactly is plasma? Well, simply put, it's ionized matter. But what is ionized matter? Well, in order to figure that out, we need to look at how atoms themselves are made up. Normally, an atom has an equal number of protons, neutrons, and electrons, so it has a neutral charge. However, through processes such as getting really hot or exposing the atom to a whole lot of electricity, it's possible to remove one of the electrons from the atom. When that happens, the atom becomes an ion, an atom with an unequal number of protons and electrons, and is thus positively charged. In rare instances, an electron will be added to the atom, well, making it a negatively charged ion, but that's like really rare. One thing you should know about plasma is that it's usually really, really hot. Like tens of thousands of degrees hot. Yeah, it makes sense why we don't interact with plasma every single day. One more thing. You might have heard about plasma transfusions, a treatment used to treat some diseases, including COVID. That deals with an entirely different thing that just so happens to be called plasma, and the truth is, we don't really care about that right now. But jokes aside, where can we find plasma? Well, the vast majority of it is in stars, and that includes our sun. That is why it's by far and away the most common state of matter in the universe. Stars are just enormous compared to things that would have solids, liquids, or gases. However, plasma is also found in things on Earth. The two most notable examples are lightning and neon signs, both of which are extremely hot and are full of electricity, which are things that make up plasma. However, because of the extreme conditions needed to create plasma in the first place, the fourth state of matter is pretty rare on Earth, so not to mention, even lightning and neon signs aren't fully ionized, as they contain some normal atoms along with the ionized ones. That basically means that the plasma you see in that open sign at the restaurants isn't the same as the plasma that can literally burn your retinas if you look at it. So, how is plasma useful to us? Well, apart from the fact that plasma makes up the very thing that keeps us alive, plasma has been used to create all sorts of technologies. In addition to those neon lights that tell us if something is open or closed, plasma has been used to make some of the newest TVs. I'm not sure why a plasma TV would be better than a normal one, but I'm not an expert on how TVs work, so I don't really care. Not to mention, plasma is also used to make those balls that have wavy lines going from the center, and how those lines go straight to your finger if you touch it and stuff. And that wraps it up for this video. Just to let you know, I'm probably going to post again in the next 2 days, but then I'll be gone for like another week because I'll be going on vacation. After that though, I'll at least try to return to semi-daily uploads. Try being the key word. So just hang in a little longer, and until then, I'd appreciate if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for future content. Thanks and have a great rest of your day.